Shauna crew. It's your girl Shauna aka Rashauna. If you didn't know, now you know, and if you do, welcome back to my channel. So really quickly guys, because I am rushing, I literally just rushed to do my face. I got blend in this blush properly because it's like too much, but I'm trying to hurry up. So basically y'all can see I did my makeup, you know, nice. Today we are going to be testing the one size setting spray. This is the mattifying waterproof setting spray. I am so excited to try this. Like, who knows? No, if you guys don't know about the one size product, go get it, go try it. I am going to be testing it out today because you know Barbados is really hot, you know, when you drop it. So I gotta see if this will really pull through. So I have a couple of errands to do today, so I am going to put it on to test to see if my face stays like this matte the whole day. So we're gonna test this guys. This is the first time I'm using it. I got it yesterday and it looks like this, like thumbnail. Anyways so this is what it looks like, and we're gonna spray this guys. I hope this works because I tested it for my girls. For who haven't tried it as yet, I was wondering. I am going to let y'all know how it holds up today. So it smells good. It's not too strong because I know some of these setting sprays tend to be really strong. I can spray it twice because I normally set my face twice. So I finna light, you know, and then I can spray again. We're gonna see how this works today guys. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take my camera with me and vlog today in town. I have a couple errands to do in town, so we're gonna see, because you know town is be hot. So we're gonna see how this lasts up in town. Let me spray it one more time. Alright, so far so good. We looking good, and I ain't got no lashes today. I just got mascara on my eyelashes because I'm rushing and I ain't got nothing up on lashes right now. So this is how we finna be going on today. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will. But then I got late, yeah.
You want to go inside?
Sun, yeah. Great. Girl, I can't. No, we can walk and talk. Okay. Yeah. That's a little better. Sorry. Alright, y'all. So Ariel is here.
Hey guys.
So yeah, so she's joining me today. So the first thing I did so far, I went to CIBC and then I went to credit union. So far so good, as you can see. So we heading to Woolworth now because I gotta get a cup for a customer, and then the next stop is Abbott. So I will show you guys when I get to Woolworth. Oh shoot, they only got pink cups. They only got pink ones. She wanted, wait, this. So lunch. Oh, they got cups today too, but they ain't got the peachy color. They got blue, the blue and the purple. Oh, that's nice too, yeah. Very nice. So guys, I don't have the color that she wants, so I don't know what to do. Because yeah, definitely not lip pink.
Also, Woolworth is the place to get distracted.
It is, because you see so much things that you want. But if you're gonna,
no, I said ready to start arts and class right now.
Like this in here where I was gonna get the what do you call it? That thing over there, canvas, to do the vision board. It wasn't expensive in here, so I said I was gonna buy it from in here, and then me and my cousin.
But how much is it? $2 mega plus for $2 mega plus got 30% off.
For true.
And them had these too.
We could probably look in there down. These will be too small. Cause I want to paint the whole, unless I use sponges and like sponge it so it gives that nice effect instead of like the brush strokes. Yeah, I could probably sponge. I don't know, maybe she gotta come in here and get stuff. Oh, you did that? Oh, okay.
I got the 2024.
Okay, I just ready to get my candle too. My nice smelling good up candle. Yeah, and you know, for the time I bought that candle and I come in here, I don't see it no more. That had like, it was this one. Like it. Yeah, it was the one to this. Ooh. I don't like how that one smelled though. It just looked pretty.
Oh, I was always here that worked pretty good.
I don't, the blue. The one I got is the blue one.
Right.
Exactly. So. Alright, that clip is.
Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. The narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say I still a wiggle. Rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
Material acquired.
These were I'm gonna try this. You can go ahead. Alright guys, so this is the last stretch now. We're going home. Makeup still on fleek. No sweating, no smudge, no makeup transfer on my hand. Like, we doing good. So I finna show y'all when I get back home to show y'all the final, to give y'all, sorry, the final review on the product. So yeah. So this is the final review on the product. I left home around 11, like 11:45. It is now 3:25, and this is the final look for the makeup. So as you can see, my face still looks pretty good. You can see the makeup still looks really good. I didn't sweat. The only thing that really happened was like a little creasing along right here, but nothing too much. And it kind of affected my allergies when I first put it on. I'm not too sure if it was that or it was just my allergies acting up. But when I sprayed it, then my eyes have feel like a little, like, how's that explaining? Not tingly, but a little burning. Like I want to itch my eye. And then like I was sneezing all the time, like my nose felt really stuffy. So I'm not sure if it was because I sprayed that or something else. but overall I would give it a 10 out of 10 because it did work. It stayed up to its word. As I said, it was a mattifying, waterproof, setting spray. I did test the waterproof thing though.
I'm sure.
I would probably test the waterproof, but I gotta do some TikToks first, and then when I'm about to take it off, I will see how waterproof it is. But yeah, so this is what it looks like if you guys want to purchase it. If you want to get it from here, there's a store on Instagram called the Supply Spot. She has it for 120 Barbados dollars. So Exotica got it?
Yeah, but it's not it. But Nemi's got it.
Oh, and also Exotica carries it as well, but they're sold out right now. So if you guys want to get it, you can try Supply Spot on Instagram and get the setting spray because it really works, and I'm very satisfied with how it had my face. And I got a lot of compliments today asking me what I have on my face. So yeah, in person, to me it looks way better in person than the camera is really doing it to me. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog as well with me doing a few errands today, some little business stuff. It's my friend Ariel as well, she over this way. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other videos you want me to do. Comment below if you want me to try any other products, you can let me know as well. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you aren't already subscribed, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay guys, so one more thing before I go. It is night time now, and I just wanted to do one last review before I go because like I really feeling this setting spray. My face still looks really matte and nice. You can see a little bit of shininess coming on right here, probably a little bit over the brow, but not too much, not too much. So the last thing that I actually wanted to try was the waterproof. Like, is it really waterproof? I want to try that. My mascara is not, so I feel like my mascara might run, but I really want to test the face. I can't find my spray bottle, so I just have to like splash water on my face. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna test and see if it is waterproof. But it is after 8, yeah, so it's going on to 9 o'clock. I had on this makeup for since 11 o'clock today, guys. 11 o'clock today, and my face looks like really good. Normally my face would be sweating by now. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to show you guys earlier this evening was the transfer test as well. So it does not transfer onto your hand. So as you can see, my hand is clean. Try to focus. As you can see, my hand is clean, and this is me just, you know, rubbing. I literally rubbing my hand on my face. And then if you look at my hand, focus, there is nothing on my hand. Like, oh my gosh, so this is amazing. This is literally like if I was doing this with my other makeup, because I have on Fenty Beauty foundation and then I have the one size spray over it. I have on powder as well, but the powder is from NYX, so I don't have on no fancy powder, but I do have on a really good setting spray and primer, which is both from Fenty, and then my one size setting spray over it. And you can see like there's nothing transferring on my hands. Like literally my hands would be brown right now if I did not use that setting spray. So I am super happy about the results, and it was worth the money. So you guys could definitely buy it. So the last thing really quickly, I'm gonna try the, see how waterproof it is.
She took the whole thing, slow down, baby.
Okay, so the water got in my eye, and I try not to. Okay, so I just literally drenched my face. As you can see, my face is dripping. Woo! Alright, the water got in my eye. But okay, so I just wet my face completely, and honestly, when I poured the water on my face, I thought that the water would have run brown, but it didn't. But I'm gonna just get a paper towel and dab and see how much does come off on the tissue. But right now everything's still intact, although I literally took the water, y'all saw me, and I poured it on my face and I did that, and it's still on. Like just give me a minute. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I got my tissue and I am ready for the transfer. I feel like some gonna come off in the tissue, but we will see. So this is me dabbing. Yeah, a little bit coming off in the tissue, but honestly it isn't a lot. So this is what's like, literally that is nothing. Like this is nothing compared to what will be coming off right now. Like this is a 10 out of 10. I taking it off right now, so it don't really make no sense to me dabbing, but it literally did its thing. My battery is about to die, so I want to talk really quickly. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. Y'all saw the end of the video of my review. I just wanted to come back to show you guys the transfer test on if it's really waterproof. So yeah, I don't know, I feel like we give the waterproof like probably like a 7 out of 10, but definitely the overall mattifying setting spray and how it works throughout the day, definitely a 10 out of 10. So yeah.